Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome to my channel, Life's a Project. Check out these gorgeous flowers. Look at that beautiful zinnia. I have zinnias, snapdragons, strawflowers, and look at this gorgeous sunflower, the first one of the season. So I cut all of these from my cut flower garden in my backyard. Now some things, like some of these snapdragons, are a little past their prime. I just wanted to cut everything so that I'll have just fresh growth. It'll encourage fresh growth. Now I'm going to be using, I love this picture, my mom got me years ago. This will be my little vase for my arrangement. Already have some cool water inside, so we are ready to go. So I'm really excited, guys, so let's get to it.